Hi, this is Brenda DeArmond. I'm a real estate broker, and I'm taking you into this beautiful home. It's 813 Summit Greens Boulevard right here in Summit Greens. It's a 55 plus, and we're getting ready to have a open house on Sunday, 1 to 3. I'm going to take you through and show you what it looks like, and I hope to see you on Sunday. Bye-bye. Here's the front of the house. As you can see, all the driveways are brick in the neighborhood. So this one is no different than any other else. It's a 2-car garage. The roof is only a couple years old. And then we walk through here to get to the entrance, and it is covered. And we have a lockbox in case you're coming with your realtor right there. And we're gonna go walk through this door. It's a nice door here. See there, as you walk through the door, you see all the beautiful lights hanging there. And it's very private here on this end. See, everything has crown molding. And see the molding around the edges as well. See that as we walk through here. Here's a secondary bathroom. It has granite counters. Brand new paint on this, just not even a month. Here's the second bedroom. It does have carpet. And you're looking out the front door, the front window here. And it's a closet, straight closet there. You walk in here, more closets, a lot of closets. It's really a nice linen closet there. You can walk through here. This is the den. You can do whatever you want to. It's a nice size room. Again, it's got the chair rails on the side and all crown molding. And we have 2 bedrooms and a den. Then we have this extra room here. If you have anything, it has the tile flooring. Do whatever you need to have that. You make it your office, whatever you want. As you can see, these floors, they look like wooden floors, but they're actually tile floors. Better care. Tile floors that look like wood. That's a good deal. Again, look at the crown molding. All the lighting in here. And there's a solar tube there, so you get plenty of light there. We're gonna go in here. This is the primary bedroom. It's a nice sized bedroom. Higher window there, and a regular one over here. As you walk through here, I left the door to one of the closets. It's got 2 walk-in closets, but I left this door open just to show you what's in here. They're all built in, a lot of built-ins in here, the same way with the next closet. I don't know if one's any bigger than the other, but it still has all the built-ins. And that's always good. More room, the better. And here is the bathroom. Have granite countertops. Nice surface there. There's a garden tub. And these actually have jets in them. And here's the other sink. There's got 2 sinks, a walk-in shower, and then the toilet area. It's private with stone door. And again, more closets. Can't have enough closets. Lots and lots of closets. I wanted to save the best for last, because this is exciting here. First of all, we have this room here. You can use it as a dining room, but it has electric fireplace. A lot of storage, things there, with the brick background. Some people use this as a dining area, and some people could use this as a dining. Look how huge this area is here. You can use it all the living room, or you can put the dining room one side and the living room the other side. This is what's unique about this floor plan, this particular home. this huge kitchen. Have you ever seen a kitchen this large in this neighborhood especially? Lots and lots and lots of cabinets. It says gas cooking here, microwave. Got your dishwasher here. Side by side. And here's another area. Put whatever you want over there. You can make it a desk, or you can put your whatever you want to. Your coffee maker, anything you want, and then more storage. As I tell you, this room has a lot of storage. The whole house has a lot of storage. And then you have the Florida room as you go right out here. The floor plan makes this a lanai, but it's not a lanai, it's a Florida room. It's got heat and air out here, so it's included in the square footage. The square footage is over 2,000 square. Have your walkout, nice tile floors. Look, what did I say? More storage. Lots and lots of storage, so you can do a lot in here. You can even put a table in here. Enjoy looking out at the neighbors. Nice green area. There's a lot of things you can do with this home. If we get to the front door, on this side is the garage, two-car garage. Let's take a look at that. There's a lot of storage in here as well. This workbench, the overhead storage there, a lot of storage here. This is where the AC is and the water heater, the laundry area, and more storage. Hey, come join me on Sunday, 1 to 3. I'd love to see you here. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, plus a den, plus an extra room, plus a Florida room, and it's $364,900. I'd love to see you come out, join me.